today's video, we're gonna be talking about this little cleaning product called the Magic Eraser. I'm gonna share with you 5+ surprising ways that you can use this little guy to do some heavy duty cleaning around your house. Stay tuned. So today we're gonna be talking all about the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and all the different ways that you can use them for cleaning. Mr. Clean Eraser can be found in almost any grocery store island-wide, and you can buy them online too. Amazon, I'm pretty sure, has them. So you can get them almost anywhere. Whenever you're using them, it is best to use them damp. For best result, make sure that you damp it before you use it. And this is what it looks like. And because this is a precious commodity and you don't want to waste it, it is best to cut it in strips. So you can see there's these little grooves here that goes along, so you can probably cut this one in 4. So you can cut them in strips so that each time you're gonna use it, you just grab a piece. Because if you're supposed to use this entire thing, you're just gonna waste it. This thing has a tendency, like whenever you're using it, it crumbles, it rolls. So if you use the entire thing, it's gonna be a waste. Cut it up. So this one can be cut in probably about 4, as I said, and each time you're gonna use one, you damp it and you use it, get rid of it. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into how you can use the Mr. Clean Erase for some surprising cleaning hacks around your home. So again, I know that there's a ton of way out there how you can remove the sticky residue from like glass jars or candles or your glass bottles or your plastic containers or your wooden spoon that you buy from Target or Ross. Ross generally has a tendency to put their label directly on the product. Oh, so annoying. So I know that there's a lot of way out there that you can remove labels, but again, Mr. Clean is here on the job. So surprise, surprise, you can use the Mr. Clean Eraser, damp it as I say, and use it to remove the sticky residue from any, well, I've only tried it on glass, but I'm confident it can be used and will remove sticky residue from almost any material. I'm confident, but I've only tried it on glass. But you can try it for yourself. Use the magic eraser and magically erase it away, the sticky residue. Okay, this one I tried and I loved. I love it so much. The other day we went on vacation, TJ and myself, we went to Jamaica, and of course it's different, you know. He wears white sneakers. I didn't bring my white sneakers, so he wears white sneakers, but it's more dusty down there, you know, so his white sneakers was so dirty. And when I got back, I grabbed my Mr. Clean Eraser, damp it, and I used it to clean his sneakers. It came off so good. I kid you not, it came off so good. His sneakers were as good as new, again, white and bright. So yes, you can use your Mr. Clean Eraser to clean your white sneakers or your white crepe. So you know, when you're putting on your top, you get those deodorant stains on your clothes sometime. Well, surprise, surprise, the Mr. Clean Eraser also remove the deodorant stain from your clothes like a charm. So again, you damp it and you just rub it on it lightly and it removes the deodorant stain. Who knew? With very gentle pressure, you can use the Mr. Clean Eraser to clean like your faucets, so like your pipe handles and the pipe itself, your shower handles. If you have hard water mark, yes, with very gentle pressure, you can use the Mr. Clean Eraser, Magic Eraser, to erase all that away, and it's gonna leave it sparkling, shine, and fresh. It's just gonna look like it, give it an updo. Also, you can use it on your utensils. So like if you have silverware that have like scuff mark on it, or you know, your silverware, probably like the knife that has the little stains on it, you can use the Mr. Clean Eraser to erase all of that away. This one kind of go hand in hand with what I mentioned before about TJ's white sneakers. So yes, you can use the Mr. Clean Eraser to clean your purses. So for example, you know, sometimes you have like a white purse and you bring it against your jeans or something and it rubs on it. Sometimes it leaves residue on the purse itself. So as long as the purse is leather, you can use the Mr. Clean eraser to get off that dye that your clothes leave on the purse. If you're wearing a leather shoes and you get like scuff mark, you know, like when you're walking and probably you bump your foot on something, or you bump your foot on the other foot, or you put your foot on your other foot, whatever. I see people standing and they put one foot on top of the other one. So you may scuff up your shoes that way, and the Mr. Clean eraser can erase that scuff mark from your leather shoes. Mr. Clean eraser works so well on so many other things. It works magic in your oven. So if you use your oven over and over, you're gonna have drippings and whatever. You can use a Mr. Clean eraser to clean your oven, clean especially the glass part. That it removes stuff so nicely. Also, the grill on top of your stove. If you have your grill, if it's crazy, I don't think it's gonna help. Like if it's badly burnt, no, I don't think it's gonna do. But if you have like a grill that is you properly care for, that have stains but it's not permanent, you know, you don't burn it over and over and over and over and over before you clean it, that is when it becomes permanent. But if you're a person that always cleans their grill from time to time, then if you see some stains, some burn mark on your grill, and you use the Mr. Clean eraser on it, that should take it all away. You can try that. Try that. Completely unrelated, off topic for sure, but if you burn your grill over and over and it's not coming off, what you can do, you can use a oven cleaner. So oven cleaners are highly toxic. So make sure that you're wearing a mask when you're using it. But what you can do is put your grill in like a trash bag, spray it on it, and put it outside. And make sure you wear gloves. As I say, it is highly toxic and it will burn your skin. So make sure you wear gloves. But that definitely is gonna like melt off everything off your grill. No, let's get back on topic. And last but not least, for whatever reason it may be, you might get ink, pen ink, on your fingers or on your hand. Mr. Clean eraser remove ink from your fingers. I know, right? Crazy. So there you have it, guys. That was your 5+ surprising cleaning hacks for the Mr. Clean magic eraser. Let me know in the comment which one you're definitely gonna try. And if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.